What the fuck, dude? That's disgusting.
Oh!
Hunter,
Oh, you just got pooped on by a bird.
you're shitting me.
No,
Hunter.
they're everywhere. Look, he's right there.
Ew, no.
What the fucking hell was that? Fucking serious? A bird just shit on me?
What happened? What?
Gary, bird pooped on my face.
You sure this poop? Let me see.
Gary. What the fuck is this on your head, Gary?
Bird poop. No.
Don't pull you back. A bird just shitted on me. What the hell? What? Fuck, the bird just shitted on me, yo.